The first thing I'm going to do after I've prepped my skin, moisturizer, everything, I'm going to prime my face. So I like to use Too Faced Hangover Primer. You know, you might have a little bit too much wine or whatever. And I love the name of it. I love Too Faced. They give such cute names to their products. Using the Luminous. Sorry guys, I don't have the latest NARS drop. Okay, I will though. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do a review on NARS's new foundation. And I will, because I'm in love with the All Day Luminous Lightweight Foundation. In case you're wondering what color I am, dark one Trinidad. I also like to add an extra little bit of glow. NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. Also let me know in the comments below if you want me to do a drugstore only. I mean, like drugstore only. Brittany, don't give me no mess. Drugstore only look for you guys, because I'd be happy to do it. I have a mixture of both, and there are some products that I just want to try anyway on my own. So if you have some product names, please leave that in the comments below, because I would absolutely love to try them. Now I'm just going in with my foundation. I'm not even telling y'all what I'm doing next. Okay, excuse me. So right now I am taking my NARS, I believe it's creamy, yep, Radiant Creamy Concealer in NARS. I use the color Caramel. I have a fuller face, so I bring my highlight down a little lower than probably the normal, more defined facial shape ladies and gents would do, because I got chunky cheeks. And if I want to give the illusion of having a more sculpted face, okay, you know, I'm trying to give y'all tips without going to the gym. Trying to give you these tips without going to the gym, okay? These in-between gym tips, okay? So if you have a fuller face and you want to have that more sculpted finish, I tend to just kind of bring that angle, so to speak, down a little bit more on top of the apples of my cheek, a little bit underneath, so that once I blend everything out, that illusion of my highlight, once the light hits me, is going to give me a more sculpted finish. You can tell that my face curves up, everything's going up, everything's being sucked in as best we can without the gym. So that's my little tidbit for your foundation and your highlight. I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty in the matchstick, the color Ebony. Yes, shout out to my girl crush forever and ever, Riri. Going in with all of this, and now I'm about to have the time of my life blending all of this out. Okay guys, so during the quick transition of events, I did my brows off camera and I put my base on my eyes. My base is just my concealer that I mentioned earlier. So I wanted to give it a break before we went into the eyes. My Brights palette here by NYX, and I know I'm about to go in. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I've been living under a rock. I knew that they had this palette, but I forgot about it. And so I was in Ulta today and I was like, and I saw it and I was like, I know. How did I miss this? Because I love color. So here we are. $17.99. Purchase later. Now I'll be using a combination of the Brights Modern Renaissance palette, and I have like killed this palette. Like I've murdered it, mutilated, disrespected it in all types of ways I probably shouldn't have. So I'm gonna start by dipping into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Renaissance palette. I am dipping into the color Love Letter. I'm just placing that right on my eyes. I'm still trying to go back and forth and see if I want to do something simple or it's gonna be dramatic by the end of this, guys. But I'm gonna take y'all through 3 different phases of it, okay? For my ladies who are not ridiculous into all of my crazy madness, they like to watch me create, but they don't necessarily want to do the look. I'm gonna give y'all a look. The first, I'm gonna take you through phases. Just listen to me. Just listen to me. So this is gonna be on the lighter end of the phase. Okay, you guys might, for my ladies who like to watch me create but don't necessarily want that look, I'm going to start off with a light look that you might want before I get too crazy, okay? I'm going into the NYX Ultimate palette, Ultimate Brights palette, and I am taking just this nice juicy red, y'all. It's got a nice little, it looks like a gold shimmer in it. Tapping that excess off. I'm just going to go right on top of that in my crease. I want to see how red this red is. Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay, NYX. Who over here sleeping on this palette? Because I was asleep. It's like I knew about it and then I went to Dreamland and then I dreamt about something else. I bought that and then forgot about this. I've got my inner crease taken care of. I've got my outer crease taken care of. I got the brows popping. So we are literally about to, now we're just going to focus on the center of the eyes. And I am going to go back into my NYX Ultimate Brights palette. Oh, if I can open it. And oh yeah, that's pretty. I'm gonna tap into this hot pink color. I'm just going to dab it onto my eyes. Kind of see where that's gonna take me. Oh, it's so cute and precious. Like, I feel like I have to build on it, but it's pretty and I think it's worth it. I mean, you really can't beat $17.99 with this palette. You really can't. I really could just stop right here. This would be really cute and just real cute, vibrant. Finish it with a nice soft lip for my soft nude lip girls who just bold eyes, nude lips. That's what you like, all that. But I'm not gonna stop here. No, I'm not gonna stop here. So here's where it phases out of phase 1, and now we're getting into phase 2. Phase 2 is for my girls who love that unicorn. The girls who love glitter. Stila's Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. This is in the color Gypsy. I'm gonna take the applicator and just kind of go in and just do a little something to it. You can wear it by itself, or you can just kind of do what I'm doing and just use it as an overlay over another color. And Gypsy, I believe, is a newer color that just came out. Like her All Summer 18 color. Stila's All Summer 18. And you can build on it as much as you want or as much as you don't want. It's your world. Your makeup is just a squirrel in it trying to catch a nut, okay? And I'm going to use my kohl eyeliner from NARS, retractable eyeliner. I'm just going to go in and line my waterline. And now I'm going to take my Maybelline Time Shayla palette, City Mini palette. And I'm going to dip into the black here. And I'm going to go right underneath. And I'm going to just kind of smoke it out a little bit underneath. And I'm not bringing that black all the way in. I'm taking it about a little over halfway. Depending on how sleek you kind of want it to go. And look. Like, I'm gonna stick it here too. To kind of cradle that glitter a little bit better. Right in that inner corner. This color here in the City Mini palette, I'm going to go back underneath my eyes and just kind of run it about into the black, kind of bringing it back halfway. And it's a little bit of a shimmer. It's really pretty. Y'all, if y'all don't follow like Makeup Shayla on every bit of social media, if you love makeup, I don't know if we can be friends, because when I say this palette is the bomb, when I say I was so proud of seeing her have a beautiful, like, just this, look at this palette. The everyday young lady, woman, whoever, anybody could use this palette. Like, this is such a beautiful palette. And Shayla and Maybelline did a very good job creating this palette. Very good job. I love this palette. I've had it for a while and I used it and just, oh, I just love it. I'm gonna dip into her golds here, her more yellow gold in here, and I'm just gonna hit the inner corners of my eyes. I found a lash that I haven't used from Ardell yet. Studio Effects Pro Designed Layered Lashes by Ardell. These are the number 230. We are preparing ourselves for the snatchage. Okay, so this is the finished eye look. So I'm going in with my Breath of Plum blush by MAC Cosmetics. That's what it looks like. For my highlight, I'm going to actually go in. I'm gonna try this. Whoa. Y'all wanna know what palette I'm using for my highlighter? Because I'm just too lazy to get up. Oh my god. I wonder if I'm the only person that just, I am just disrespecting y'all today. I obviously don't care. Hold the press. How about just doubled this beautiful gold here, from this yellow gold here from from Maybelline times Shayla palette, and just disrespected my cheekbones like that. Look, it's so pretty. I wasn't ready for that. I was not ready for that pigment out the wazoo. Yeah, I'm just dropping stuff. Anyway, y'all know we're gonna have to come back for the finish. You know we're gonna have to come back for the finish. You know I gotta go put this wig on. You know I'm not gonna show you how I do it. Don't ask me to, because let me tell you. Let's just take this in, because this is a big switch. Went from the little rag on the head to this. So it's understandable if you need to just bask in this finish. I'm not finished. I still gotta do the lips. But I just feel like I had to do it. Like, I couldn't wait. So I'm gonna do like a little 3-part lip finish. I'm using all NYX products except for the gloss on the gloss. So I'm just doing something just barely. This is my nude, okay? This is my nude. NYX applicators are the bomb. The color of this one is called After Hours. It's from their, I think it's NYX Lingerie. Yeah, NYX Lingerie collection. After Hours. Poppin'. Love it. Okay, now I'm gonna brighten your world a little bit in the center, so don't trip. This is the NYX Liquid Suede, and this is gonna go in the center. This color is called Tea and Cookies. I'm just gonna put it in the center. Just a little. You're just trying to do a little. Okay, so this is the matte finish. Okay. Let Riri help you disrespect other people today. And just put that right in the center. Put that gloss bomb right in the center. Let me tell y'all something. I don't know who I thought I was today, but I tell you right now, baby. Who do you think you are? The finished look, okay? Finished look. Added that gloss bomb on top by Fenty Beauty. So this is the look. Just inhale it. And you know what you're supposed to do as soon as you're done glamming yourself up like this when you're about to go on your date. When Bae is calling you like, Bae, where you at? Are you done? Are you done on the phone? Hold on. Excuse me. Bae, where you at? Oh, Bae. I'm ready. I just finished my look. I just finished it, and you know what? I think I look darn good. I look so good, and I'm just ready for you to pick me up. Okay. If you could just okay. Thanks. Okay, guys. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed all the energy I just gave y'all throughout this video. I hope that y'all enjoyed the end result, the end look, the look. It's a look, y'all. It's popping. I love this look. It's so glamorous and so just juice. It's so juicy. These cheeks, okay, this highlight is so juicy. So we can definitely thank Maybelline Time Shayla for this goat right there, that little color up in there. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you want to see next. Did you love this look? Would you try this look? Let me know what you want to see below. Let me know what you want to see for the next. I won't say for the next video because I already have some stuff planned for this month. But let me know what you want to see me do. I had so much fun doing this look. Okay, this look was loads of fun. I hope that you have fun on my channel. I will see you next time. Until then, peace, love, and chicken grease. Okay. Peace, love, and chicken. Subscribe to my channel, guys. See you in the next video.